a girl say she won't marry me, honey. Baby girl say her body a colamo. Hey, and I wanna watch it. I wanna watch it. Be watch it. Hey y'all, hey right there. I don't even know where to start, but today I will be doing makeup. You know, somebody will be like, hey, I drew that. You always say you don't know how to do makeup. You don't know how to do makeup. What is this? Girl, I don't know how to do makeup. Okay, so but today I'm going to show you how I achieve this look. So this is a get ready with me video. But anyway, let me know what you think about this makeup, because I use literally 4 products. That's my foundation, my concealer, and my powder, and maybe 3 products to achieve this. I didn't have my setting spray. It's not that I didn't have. I don't have it. I haven't bought one. I haven't used one in a primer. I don't have one. But I use these products to achieve this look. So let's see. If you love it, please stay tuned to the end. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Yeah, this is yeah. Do you see what I'm saying? You see, hold on, I'm gonna use my comb to flatten this thing out. Let me put it right here. It's not well done though. Hey, brother, look at the way I suffer. Okay. Ooh. What do you guys think? I want you guys to see. You guys, no. Okay, enough. I think I'm done.